In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a table in Notion. Whether you're refining your workspace or simply tidying things up, knowing how to efficiently remove elements is key to maintaining a clutter-free environment. So, let's dive right into how you can accomplish this. First, you'll need to navigate to your connected workspace within Notion. This is where all your projects, wikis, and documents are housed. Simply fire up your browser and open Notion, and you'll find yourself at your workspace's landing page. Think of it as your virtual office, neatly organizing all your tasks and information in one place. Once you're there, if you haven't done so already, you'll need to log in. Look for the Login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and enter your credentials to gain access. This keeps your workspace secure, ensuring only you or those you choose to share with can make changes. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the Notion homepage. This is your command center, where you can access everything you're working on. From the main menu or your sidebar, you'll want to locate your database. It might sound technical, but in Notion, a database can be anything you organize, be it lists, tasks, or in this case, tables. Once you've located and clicked on Database, you should see a list of all your tables. Click on the specific table you want to remove. This step ensures you don't unexpectedly delete the wrong data. Working in Notion can be very visually driven, so you'll be able to spot your table with ease. Now that your table is open, hover over it, and you'll see a menu icon appear. Right-click this to bring up a contextual menu. Here, you'll be presented with several actions that can be taken. Scroll down until you see the Delete option and click on it. Upon selecting Delete, Notion will promptly remove the table from your database. It's a smooth process, but keep in mind that this action is irreversible. So make sure you really want to delete the contents before proceeding. If needed, double-check any crucial data you might want to save elsewhere before taking this final step. And that's how you can delete a table in Notion. It's fairly straightforward once you get the hang of it. By following these steps, you can keep your workspace organized and free from unnecessary files. Whether you're cleaning up after a project or simply decluttering, Notion makes it easy for you to manage your space effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!